60 volts is already an insane amount of power, but then imagine putting that into a little pit bike. Today we got the Qronge X1 Spark. This thing claims to get up to speeds of 50 miles an hour. Let's get into it. Really quickly, here's everything that comes with the Qronge. You get the front wheel, charger, front plate, toolkit, and manual kit. Hold up, for the longest time I've been mentioning how RYZN SPLY is dropping and it's finally here, so go check out these clothes.
It ain't nothing new, I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe, I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe, you don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame, I wanted racks, always wanted cheddar. You could try.
We're outside on the Qronge X1 Spark. This thing claims to have 60 volts and goes up to 50 miles an hour, which is just absolutely insane for a mini bike. And this bike is only $1,000. This bike is actually $1,099. And then I think I also have a discount code. It's RYZN, I think. I'll put it on the screen. Starting off, I'm in mode 1. We're at full battery. I'm sure this is probably flashing because of the GoPro, but in mode 1, we only go 20 miles an hour, which isn't bad. Then I'll bump it up into mode 2. Oh wow, that's so fast. Mode 2, it looks like we're going 38 super fast. Wow. No, that was 40. Yeah. Some crazy torque. 280 Newton meters of torque, so it is packed with torque. Okay, we'll turn on the light here. Oh, it's angled super far down. We're only in mode 2 right now, and we're going 15. Yeah, we're chilling. Our first hill climb is gonna be right up here, so got a full gas it in mode 2. Oh yeah, we're getting up easily got up that hill. These motor brakes are feeling good though. I'll take this one up. Alright, we made it up just fine. Didn't even have to hold full throttle. This thing has so much power. I mean, the motor is 4,500 watts, so I mean, I'm excited to see what this thing can do. The suspension is amazing. I mean, just eats this up just fine. Pretty lit. Full gas it up this hill. You got that. Up here, I didn't hit it yesterday. We'll do it for the video today. Just gotta roll it. Hopefully no one's heading up this. Little jump. This thing is actually so much fun to rip in the dirt. It's like so easy to play with. Like compared to the High Night, this thing is just like, yeah, like that. That is so fun. We're gonna put it into mode 3. This is actually scaring me. Mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but we have to do it. Full speed. It claims 50. I don't have an actual speedometer, But I mean, if it hits 50, we're just gonna call it 50. This thing is fast. I mean, 60 volts is crazy. Put it into mode 3. We're in mode 3. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Holy crap. Oh yeah, 50. It hit 50. It feels like it could do more. It can definitely do more than 50. Quick acceleration. Just hit 45 right there. I mean, this thing is a beast. This thing is looking sick. 60 volts, 4,500 watt motor, 12-14 setup, beefy suspension, front wheel, just absolutely eating up the dirt. We got a full twist throttle, keys, light, horn. Even we got some turn signals back here. I mean, this thing is sick. Got this big open sort of frame. This thing is absolutely ripping it. So far we're doing pretty good. Looking pretty sick up here. We're just gonna finish off this trail and then find another route back down. This would be so sick on like huge mountain bikes. Like the electric dirt bikes just make it effortless. I mean, Qronge put this bike together like so well. When I started it, it was fully charged, and now we're still fully charged, and we've gone, it says 3.1 kilometers. I don't know how many miles that is. Just kind of exploring on some new trails today. Now it's all downhill, just be careful on this turn, hit the brakes. Just gotta make sure he didn't fall off the cliff. I wanna go back up this. Oh yeah, out of all the bikes I own, this is definitely the best bike I have for the dirt. I mean, and this huge display is actually super nice. I don't know what these 4 things mean, but that's your batteries in ready mode and then your miles. Not too long ago, I actually watched Ethan when he reviewed this bike, and they did not have a full twist throttle. I think it was only a half throttle, but I'm actually super glad that they upgraded it to a full twist throttle, because it is just way better than having like only a little bit of throttle, especially if you're hitting like bigger jumps. The more control you can have is way better. Same with these brakes. I mean, I've already bedded them in pretty good, but like it locks up pretty nice. Yeah, those are chilling. I mean, they're not the best brakes in the world, but I mean, you can't ask for that much more on a $1,000 mini moto. Yeah, the display is pretty buns. Can't see anything either, but we're chilling. This is where I ride in most of my videos. It's fun, but it's just not as good as over there. The dirt is way better over there. Okay, I know I've said a lot of the good parts, but let's get to some of the cons. My first con is that this headlight right here, it's not that bright, and it's super angled down. Like, it's just, I can't angle it up because it's basically welded into the same exact thing as the screen, so I can't really change the angle of that. These turn signals are kind of weird, and it has this extra added rear fender. It would have been better if it was just cut off. These orange plastics are cool, but if you did like gray or something else, I think that would be absolutely sick. And then finally, the whole openness of the bike is a little bit sketchy, because when I was riding, this kept on popping out even when it was fully pushed down. But I mean, those are the main cons. Other than that, this bike is just so deadly fast. It's like sick. And I mean, this thing is just... Alright, that's basically gonna wrap it up for this video. I mean, that's the Qronge X1 Spark. Probably the best budget mini moto. I mean, this thing goes 60. It rips the dirt, as you saw. And overall, it's just a absolute banger for the price. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever. I'ma speak the truth, I ain't gon'